Sore throat and dry cough are usually caused by viral infections and allergies. This persistent cough doesn't produce any mucus, but it can be very annoying and linger for weeks. Gargling with salt and hot water is the best way to try. But beside this, what can you do to get relief fast? Let's take a look at some of the best home remedies, which can be just as effective as clinical treatments. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. How to get rid of sore throat and dry cough fast. Licorice. Licorice works as an expectorant and emulsant, which helps soothe your airways while easing sore throat and a dry cough. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help reduce irritation in the throat that causes coughing. Add 2 tablespoons of licorice root in a cup of hot water. Cover and let it steep for 10 minutes. Drink this tea up to 2 times daily. Alternatively, you can mix a half teaspoon of licorice powder with a little honey and have it twice daily for a few days. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root is an herb that has a long history of use as a treatment for coughs and sore throats. This herb is high in mucilage content. Mucilage is a thick gluey substance that coats the throat and eases irritation. Simply create a tea by boiling some water and steeping some marshmallow root in it. Allow it to cool down. Remember, the longer the marshmallow root soaks in the water, the more mucilage will be in the drink. Now strain the solution and drink 3 times a day. Peppermint and ginger. Harness the soothing powers of ginger and peppermint in this homemade cough syrup. This batch makes enough for a couple of days. Take 4 cups of warm water and add 1 cup of honey. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped ginger and 1 tablespoon of chopped peppermint into the concoction. Drink this 2 to 3 times a day or whenever you feel the itch starting to creep up. Moist air. Humidifiers can help with a dry cough and sore throat. In a dry environment, nasal secretions can become dried out and uncomfortable, which can worsen the symptoms. By putting moisture back in the air, you can reduce the discomforts. For the best result, add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil in your humidifier, especially when you sleep. Black pepper. Take 8 ounces of warm water, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Blend the mixture together and drink 2 times a day. Have you tried any of these simple home remedies? Let us know what you benefited from. Thanks for watching.